In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. If you need one channel where your whole team can receive updates, announcements, or shared discussions, Slack gives you a much faster option than inviting people one at a time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right channel, access the member tools, use Slack's bulk add options, and then make sure future team members join that channel automatically as well. Start by opening Slack, either in the desktop app or in your browser. From the left-hand sidebar, click the channel you want everyone to join. This is the channel that will become your central communication space, so make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the channel, go to the top of the conversation window and look for the member count near the channel name. You may see a small group of profile icons or a number showing how many people are currently in the channel. Click that area to open the channel overview panel. Inside that panel, open the Members tab, then click Add People. This will open the area where Slack lets you invite users into the channel. Now comes the bulk add part. Depending on your Slack plan and your permission level, you may be able to use an admin shortcut instead of selecting users individually. Click into the search field and type the workspace-wide group handle, such as a version of everyone or all members if your workspace supports it. In some setups, selecting that option will instantly target all active users in the workspace. If you want to include internal employees while avoiding external guests, use your main internal user group instead. Type the user group handle assigned for all employees and select it from the list. This is a useful way to keep the channel broad while still staying focused on your internal team. To make sure new hires are added automatically in the future, close the current window and click your workspace name in the top left corner. From there, go into Tools and Settings or Administration, depending on what your workspace shows, and open Workspace Settings. A browser tab will appear. In that settings area, find default channels, then search for the channel you chose earlier and add it to the default list. After that is saved, new members will be placed into this channel automatically when they join the workspace. Finally, go back and click the Add button in the invitation window to confirm everything. Slack will post a system message in the channel showing that the users have been invited. At that point, your channel is ready to function as a company-wide hub for updates, announcements, and organized communication.